Welcome to Altasciences. We are a different kind of CRO and CDMO with integrated, comprehensive solutions for simplified, efficient, and proactive early phase drug development. Rely on us for end-to-end programs or partner with us for a specific standalone service, all customized to your needs. We help you advance your small or large molecule from lead candidate selection to clinical proof of concept and beyond. We can help progress your program from IND-enabling preclinical safety testing in both rodents and non-rodents to first-in-human trials at our clinics in the US and Canada. With access to normal, healthy participants as well as special and patient populations, our experts will leverage preclinical data in the design of programs to meet your objectives. We offer precision bioanalysis from discovery to phase 4, as well as many supporting services, including program management, medical writing, biostatistics, data management, and clinical monitoring that simplify the logistics of drug development. With 99% on-time delivery, Altasciences offers pharmaceutical manufacturing and analytical solutions from formulation development through to commercialization to complete our holistic offering. By applying robust insights at each development stage, we deliver educated, faster, and more complete early drug development decisions. Partner with us and experience an integrated, seamless pathway that helps you get better drugs to market faster. Always available and looking ahead. We are Altasciences.